So I'm working on an indie horror game, and one of the early issue I faced was Raycast. I was fairly new to game development when I started this game. I knew a lot of system and what I wanted to do and all, but I was quite lost technically, mainly in programming. But even with that issue, the development process was going pretty well till I came across Raycast. Before this, all the programming work was the stuff that I understood. So when I started working on Raycast, I thought it will take me few days to make it work perfectly. But man, was I wrong. So I did a lot of research and how it works. I saw a few videos, and main video that helped me the most was the video by Speed Tutor. Now this video helped me understand the basic of Raycast, the system to open the door. But in my game I wanted to do a lot more, from opening a lot more stuff and also picking up stuff and all. I wanted more advanced script, so I went through even more videos, and I also asked ChatGPT to explain me this stuff. Now I also hate AI as much as the next guy, but as an indie dev, getting help for research and learning programming from AI is not too bad. I won't be using any generative AI in my game. Help from ChatGPT to learn just about Raycast. I just got help for Raycast, that's all, to learn, and I will be getting from like understanding all that stuff. I think that's not too bad. So what I learned is that Raycast sends a ray to whatever object that's in front of you, detects what's there, whether you can interact with the object or not. You'll never notice it when you are playing game, but there are a lot of systems that use Raycast in game, from opening door to shooting to a lot more. From everything I learned, I made this script and got my friend's help to make it look clean and understandable. So here's how it works. The player gets in the range of the object, which is 10 right now. The range is 10. Then the player has to look at the object. It checks if the object has a layer mask that matches the one in the script. If it does, it lets you know that the object is interactable. If you press the given key, which in this case is mouse 0, then the object performs the given task, like playing the given animation, like opening or closing the object, will be interactable. Any object will be interactable as long as it has the interactable script. I can make a more interactable script and modify them to my liking, what I want them to do and like how I want them to work, like animation and all this stuff. So this is the script that I use for all the animation and stuff. So everything from drawers to doors and all that, as long as they have this script, it works. All the animations work perfectly, from closing to opening doors and all that. So yeah, this is the script that I use for that to work. And there's this another one that I use for book opening script, which also works similarly but with books. And the last one is the door and the key, which key is to pick up and door is open. I have key, both works in perfectly simple, and that's all the Raycast stuff. Like the key, you just pick it up, and if the key is what the door needs, the door opens. It's pretty simple actually. And that's all the Raycast stuff I have in my game. Currently I am going to add a lot more as I go on, because it's a very important system. But the thing is, this was actually a fairly easy system. I should not have struggled with this as much as I did, because if I am to do this entire thing again, like learn the entire Raycast and all that again, right, with my current skill, I will be able to do the entire thing in like 2 days max. Like there have been more problems and issues that I faced as I go on, but this was one of the early issues that I faced, which took me almost a month to get right. And I think that's was because I was not nearly as skilled as I should have been when I started the project. But I'm still happy with how the project has been going along, and all the issues that I faced, I have been able to solve almost every single one of them. And whenever there is an issue that I can't fix, I just get some friends help, do online research and a lot more. So yeah, game development has been extremely fun and great to me. I will be completing this game for sure, and the game will release with the price tag of like $1 or $2, and that's like a topic for another video. I will talk about the budget of my game and all the stuff and what I plan to price it. But so far with the development and everything, how it's going, I am pretty happy. And even if my game doesn't do as well as I want it to, I'll still be happy with the progress that I got with this game. So thanks a lot for watching. If you're interested in the game, please do subscribe. It will help me out a lot. This game matters to me quite a lot, and I'll be making more long form devlogs from now on, but my main focus will be shorts since those tend to get more views. Thanks a lot for watching. Just watching helps a lot.